Annyeonghaseyo, Andrea.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Good morning. Bago ka matayin dah.
Dili man ka nang padong kumkaan.
Padong ka mukhaon. Okay, so I'm here to deliver one cell set. You have rice, can, and milk, and additional one sack of rice for you. Okay. And that is from Handolnim.
Handol님, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ria Jane.
annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so manakag kaunin day. Kamusta man ka?
Okay.
Ano sa iyong klase?
Anong pan, 29 din.
This month, July 29. Okay. So naka-prepare na kasi yung mga kinahanglanon. Wala pa. Okay. So I'm here to deliver your salset. You have 25 kilos of rice, canned, and milk. Okay. And that is from Handolnim.
handol님, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Jada, Yashli, and Samantha.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Musta yung klase, Inday? Sa formal school?
July 29.
July 29, kamutanan. Nakapa-enroll na mo? Okay na. So, waiting na lang mo for the opening of the class. Okay? So, I'm here to deliver for Jada, Samantha, and Yashli 2 trays of eggs each. Okay? And 2 packs of chooks to go each. Okay? Set na Inday. Okay? And you have 1,000 pesos for your school supplies. Okay, and that is all from Soyong Philnim.
Uncle Soyong Philnim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Mercy and Brianna.
annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. When is your class mag-start, Inday?
Ako kay Maria kay
29? Ang mo ha, kay...
sa class
dili, sa formal school. Pareha mong duha, same July 29 mag-start. So, naka-prepare na mo sa inyong school supplies? Wala pa? Not yet? Ikaw, Inday Mercy, wala pa? Aman na? Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your 2 trays of eggs each. Okay, and you also have 2 packs of chooks to go each for Mercy and Brianna. Okay, and additional 1,000 pesos each for school supplies. Okay, and that is all from Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Jofe. Okay. So, why are you late? Why? Haircut? Okay. Mura na mag nakuha yung buhok.
Kaya, bago siya, no taper.
For your preparation for your school. Kano sa man?
Karong 29.
July 29. So, okay. Ready na ka? Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your 2 5 kilos rice. Okay. And you also have 2 packs of chooks to go. Okay. And you have 1,000 pesos for your side dish. Pangsudan ni mo gawas anang chooks to go. Okay. And that is from Ison Minim.
Isang minim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Darlene. Okay, so happy birthday. Okay. How old are you, Nainday?
I'm 17 years old.
17. So I'm here to deliver cake for you. Okay. And that is from Sandrinim.
Sandrinim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Angel.
annyeonghaseyo.
So you were here to get your Starland tuition fee, okay, and your your allowance. So 250 for your tuition and 100 for your transportation and milk tea.
Uncle Kim yung sunim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
So, how many Saturdays remain?
6.
6? Dili, 14 weeks?
Ay, 14 weeks. Ika 6 pa na ako.
Ika 6 weeks karon. So, you still have 8 weeks remain. Okay. Bye-bye. Lea Rich, Kiray! Maxine! Christine! Sure. Look! What face is that? Ah! Isang loko.
Brilyante ng tubig. Inuutosan ka niya. Uy, ayaw. Tawang na.
Tupoy rin. Brilyante ng apoy.
Brilyante ng tubig.
Christine, you're not going to ano?
Kunyo, girl.
Oh my gosh. That's it.
Heck, ano ka ba?
Churichal!
Ay, si Vincent na ngayon lang. Kadang ako ng mga...
Talk to me in English, me. Talk to me in English. Face me, face me.
I don't Englishing.
Why?
I don't studying. Studying is hard. Wow.
Studying is hard. Indeed. Just go to the rain na lang, oy.
Di ba medyo tingin?
Oh, look at Lea Rich. Lea Rich!
Asa mula?
Nagyaot kay ba ni Clark? Maurag yun. Ang juro.
Kira and Lea Rich are now enjoying the rain. Still playing volleyball, oh, even.
Ito taligo.
Churchill, you're wet naman, oy. You should go ligo na lang, oy.
No, I'm allergic to water.
Yeah.
Ay,